Hello everyone, welcome to LRDA Prep. My name is Mir Sardana, a plus educator on Unacademy, teaching students live on Unacademy Plus for CAT exam preparation. So this is a series of 50 best reasoning questions. In this series, we are going to cover 50 top questions of reasoning that will be helpful for the exams like CMAT. Subscribe to YouTube channel LRDA Prep to cover your 100% syllabus, and also to get Unacademy Plus subscription, you can use my referral code LRDSMIR Live. In this video, I'll be discussing this number-based puzzle. It also involves the concept of ranking, a very important one for CMAT exam point of view. It says 5 women decided to go shopping to MG Road, Bangalore. They arrived at designated meeting place in the following order. One is Archana, Chelama, Denuka, Helen, and Shenaj. Each woman spent at least rupees 1000. Below are some additional facts about how much they spent during their shopping spree. The woman who spent 2234 arrived before the lady who spent 1193. So guys, if you look at all these points, right, you will see that this whole set is talking about the order of reaching and the amount of money that they're spending. So 5 women, all of them are spending a different amount of money. So you can see that looking at this statement, right, in the first statement it says that the woman who spent 2234 arrived before the lady who spent 1193. So the woman who spent 2234 rupees is arriving before the lady who is spending 1193. So we can see that clearly that one of the women is definitely spending 2234 and one of the women is spending 1193, right? One woman who spent 1340, that the third amount that one of the women is spending is 1340, and she was not Dhenuka. So the lady who is spending 1340 is not Dhenuka. This lady is not Dhenuka. Okay. One woman who spent 1378 more than Chelama. So whatever amount, there's a one woman who is spending who's spending the amount equivalent to Chelama plus 1378 rupees. One woman spent 2517 rupees also. There's a one woman who is spending 2517 rupees, and Helen spent more than Dhenuka. Shena spent the largest amount. So you see that out of the 5 women, they're spending 5 different amount. We can see that one of the amount is 2517, one of the amount is 2234, one of the amount is 1193, one is 1340, and there will be one more amount that we do not know. What is that amount? But you can take the hint from here that one of the women is spending 1378 more than Chelema. Now, you have to see what Chelema is spending. Accordingly, you will get to know what will be the amount that this value will be equal to. If I'm saying that, if I'm saying that the woman who is spending 1378 more than Chelema, right, and that value you can see is either the value of 2517 or 2234, because these are the largest amount. Now the woman who is spending, if I'm saying that Chelema plus 1378 is equal to 2234, in this case Chelema will be spending 2234 minus 1378, and if you solve it you will get 14 minus 8 6, 12 minus 7 5, and then 11 minus 3 8. You see that this value is 856. That means Chelema will be spending 856 rupees. Now that's not possible. The reason is every woman is spending at least rupees 1000. So being C plus 1378 is equal to 2234, that's not possible. The alternate possibility is that C plus 1378 can also be equal to 2517. Now in this case, C will be equal to 2517 minus 1378. That means 17 minus 8 would be 9, and 10 minus 7 would be 3, 4 minus 3, 1139. So that means one of the women would be spending, that is Chelema will be spending 1139. That's the fifth amount that you're spending. This is just one case that you have to take. So I can see that one of the lady might spend 1139. In that case, this lady has to be Chelema, and the lady who is spending 1378 more than this Chelema must be 2517. Okay. The woman who arrived 2234 arrived before the lady who spent 1193. One woman spent 1340. She is not Denuka. Now look at this information. Shahnaz spent the largest amount, and we can see that this is the largest amount, so this must be spent by Shahnaz. Chalema spent the smallest amount, so you can see that this is the amount spent by Chalema, which is the smallest one. Helen spent more than Dhenuka. Now this is not Dhenuka, right? Either this value is Dhenuka or this is Dhenuka, because Helen spent more than Dhenuka. So the only possibility is that if I take this as Dhenuka, then Helen cannot spend more than Dhenuka. So this has to be Dhenuka, right? This woman has to be Dhenuka, and because Helen spent more than Dhenuka, so this has to be Helen. And then the one person that you're left with is Archana. This must be this lady, right? This must be the lady Archana. So now you can see that. Now you know which woman is spending how much money, and you can answer all the question now. Look at the question number 13. It says, what was the amount spent by Helen? Helen is spending 2234. So the answer to the question is option 3. Which of the following amount was spent by one of them? 1139. Yes, 1139 is one of the amount spent by 1378. No, 1378 is a difference between the amount of money. 2571, it's not possible. 2517 is one of the amount. 2718 is not the amount, so this is also eliminated. The amount spent by one of them is 1139. The woman who spent 1193 is Dhenuka. So therefore the answer to the question is question number 3. So these are the 3 questions, right? This is a number based puzzle relevant for CMAT exam, right? Guys, there are 5 days left before the price hike on Unacademy. These are the new prices that will be effective from 31st of March. If you guys are planning for CAT 2021 subscription till 31st March, these are the prices which will be in effect. So you can purchase Unacademy Plus subscription at these low prices, right? After 31st March, these are the prices which will be effective. And so there are the last 5 days before the price hike. Subscribe to Unacademy Plus using my referral code LRDS Live. Also, you can subscribe to LRDA Prep for your 100% syllabus coverage of LRDA section. These are my upcoming courses for CAT 2021 in April month. Complete arithmetic without formula from basic to advanced 12th April. Algebra course part 2 18th April. Data interpretation course is getting started on 6th of April. Guys, there's a 2020 test series, CAT 2020 test series, where 10 questions in 30 minutes will be given to you every day, and you can win rewards every day. There are rewards worth rupees 18,000 in the month of March, starting from the 2nd of March. Monday to Saturday, 7 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Every day is a 30-minute test. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next part. Thanks a lot.